Hi friends, in my previous session I have showed a demo of logical operator and query operator, comparison operators. So in this session I am going to show demo of array query operators, evaluation query operators and elemental query operator. First I am going with $all. So I am going to RoboMongoDB 3D. In my client I have employee details. In this model collection we have a phone number array. So I can use $array to find the arrays of phone numbers which has type home and mobile. So I can use $phone numbers colon $all home and mobile. I have not closed the curly braces. No phone numbers is having home and mobile because it is type numbers type. Array elements I can use with dot, so phone numbers dot type. See, now I have retrieved two records which has both array is having two elements where it has type home and mobile, and we have one more array which has only one type home, so we were not able to retrieve. It is similar like AND condition. We can use this $all for non-array elements also. I'll show similar query with AND. I'll open one more query window. So $and it takes array of arguments. So our field is phone numbers dot type colon. One is home query, other one is mobile. So let's close. So here also we are able to retrieve the two records. So both $all and $and is same. It's not only for array I can use for non-array elements also. Example, if I want to find age 37, I'll open one. So age colon $all takes array, so I can give 30 and close this. Sorry, it is not. See, it's same like a AND operator where the age is equal to 30. It was able to find that. So this is $all, and the next one is elemMatch. This elemMatch is like for in an array, each element, if you want to find specific conditions, we can use this elemMatch. So example, see, in my array I have a home and type home or mobile, and number is starts with something like that. Okay, what I'll do, in my elemental match I'll try to use type is home and it should starts with 738. Okay, match here I have to give the array name. Inside I have to specify each condition. So mine is, first one is type colon array and number, second one is number number starts with 738. I have not closed properly, so it's failing. Here this is closed. Here, okay, one more curly braces is needed. See, I am able to retrieve 2 records whose phone number is home and the number is starting with 738. So home and number starts with 738. This will not be like $and or like a all. It is same as $and, but this is not same because I'll show. It will take each one is individual condition inside array. If type is home and number is starts with 738, $and will work. So let me show that. So we have $and type is home and number 738. When I run this, we are getting 3 records because the first one is in the same element. It was satisfying the home and starts with number. In the second record also home and starts with 738. But for third record, if you see, type is home, but number is not starting with 738. But in another type mobile, that is starting with 738. So it was checking other element inside the array, not in the same element. So $and element match is not same. If you want inside a particular index, array index, if you want to give certain criteria to be followed, we have to use elemental match. And next one is size. If you have your array with the different sizes, here I have only two sizes are there. If you, in a production environment, we have array with the multiple size, but you want to print only which has size 3 or 4, we can use this size array. Size, we have 4 numbers. See, I have 2 arrays with size 2. If you want to find size 1, I can use size. So it's same like in Java length, array length. Whatever the size, it's a condition. Whose size equal to 1, we will be able to retrieve that record. Whose size equal to 2, we are able to retrieve the records. These are array operators, array query operator. Coming to evaluation query operator, we have something called express. Express is more useful when you are using aggregation operators. Here I will just explain what is express. So I will remove this. I will just print what all the data there in our table. So $express I can use at primary level. So $express. Inside we have to use some condition, like here I am using $greater than. It takes any fields or if you have 2 values like salary and some other number, we can compare those 2, which is greater than this, salary is greater than something like that. But here I am just comparing like salary is greater than 50,000, just print those values. So I am using inside, so I have to use $salary comma 50,000. Let me run. It's saying code I have not. Let me check. 1, 2, 3. We have to use proper braces, curly braces or the normal brag. We have to close properly, otherwise it will give error. So greater than takes array of 2 elements. Here it is salary greater than 50,000 will be printed. So I have 3 objects which has salary greater than 50,000. Example, if I give 30,000, maybe I'll get some more records. So here it is not much difference, because I can directly go to salary greater than 30,000. I can use. I should be able to retrieve these records. Instead of this, I can use salary colon dollar greater than 30,000. So we are able to retrieve the records. So expression is more useful when you are doing aggregation operations. So I'll explain there again. So next is mod. Mod is something like normal mod operations. Mod takes two values like divisor and what is the remainder. If you are expecting, it should be more divisible by 5, or here I'll just show like salary mod also takes two values. I'm expecting it should be divisible by 1000 and remainder is 0. So all the records are will be printed because all the records are having 1000 values. Instead of that, if I say 8 and remainder is 2, so we don't have any records with divisor 8 and returns remainder 2. If you have to pass two values to the mod. If you are passing on, we'll get the exception malformed mod. If you are not passing any value also, we'll get it clearly explains what we are missing, not enough elements. Next is regular expression. Regular expression is like something pattern. Example, all the names which who has a letter J or something S. If you want to print, we can use regular expression. So maybe last name colon $regex /j. See, all the last names which are starting with J is printed. If you are running in the editor without using regex also, it works. But if you are running in the from code, we have to specify. See, here it works. It's same as using $regex. And next one is text, $text. If you want to search some value, example, if your document is having comma separated values, in that if you want to search particular value, see here in my collection I have added sports, each employee who is interested in different sports. If I want to find who is interested in walking, I can use $test. But to use $test, we have to create index text on that field. Example, sports employee dot create index. I'll explain more about index when I'm explaining index. For now, I'll just show how to create index. Sports, here it is text, and close this. So the index is created. If you go here inside, we should number index before one, number index, okay. I'll refresh and see. See, the index is created. You can able to see it's a text index. See, sports equal to 1. Now I want to use the $text to find who are having sports walking. So the field is sports. We have no need to use the field because we have already created index on that. So $text and txt. We have to use search. It's search with the specific value walking. Maybe I will search with walking. So it prints who are having sports walking. See, all these 3 people are having sports walking. So this is how we can search. If we want to search multiple values, we can use space and swimming. See, these 2 people are again 3 people are having walking, swimming. It's searching for any one field. It's like OR operator, walking or swimming. So we can use test to search. So we have element query operators. We have exist. If you want to find whether the field exists or not, we can use $exist. Example, in my collection, for some people age is not there, I guess. 1 minute, let me print the collection first to see. Table PC, some people is not having gender and age. So we want to find only who has the value. We can use exist. Age colon $exist exist true true. We have only 3 people who has age exists. If I give false, it gives the other people who has. These people don't have age. So we can check. We can use exist to check whether the field exists, or not. Similarly, we have another element query operator is $type. Type is to find the data type. In MongoDB, we have already some types are there. For double it is 1, for string it is 2, for array it is 4. So we have defined values. So you have to pass these values to check whether it is double or string or object or something. So I will come to here. So I have employee collection where I have salary string, and in the first employee Suresh is having string salary, other 3 are having double salary. So double is 1, so I can use salary colon $type double is 1. So it prints who all are having double salary value. Similarly, who are having string, I can use type 2. If you want to find the type of the particular field, we can use $type. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to my channel.